is going to be how to do Kirishima's wig, how to put it on properly. I have a whole video on styling it. I will link it over here. One of those two. I don't know if my camera will flip it or not, so it'll be at the top corner. This is from Walmart like years ago, so don't ask me about it. So looks like I'm bald, but I promise you have hair. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. So the first thing you want to do is you want to get your wig cut. The netted ones are good, but if you have the like fleshy looking ones, I'll put a picture of it. You put this on first and then you put that one over. But I'm just gonna go ahead. Sorry, someone texted me and I was trying to figure out what they said. Okay, what I do with these is I actually tuck it in. I just think it looks better. When you put on the wig, it'll look way better. I'm not going to be doing that. The next thing that you will want is your headband. Mine has flamingos on it. I got this at Hobby Lobby if you're wondering. Next is the wig. This is the wig. Hold on. This is the wig. You will also need some bobby pins. These are very important for attaching your wig. This is what bobby pins look like. I'm sure you know what they look like. So let's get started. So the first get out my white foundation. I don't use the brush. I just think it's annoying. There is a brush in here. And I put it in the corners of my eyes. Don't put it below your eyes. Obviously. Just like when you do this, do not put eyeliner on, like where the white spots are, or people will think that you are fishing as Asian. So, also, I'm really sorry if my eye looks off. I basically have a lazy eye at this point. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm gonna find what I'm looking for. Here is my eyeliner. Okay, actually, these are my real quick. This might take me a bit, so what I do is I just like this is the one that I use. I'm pretty sure no. Oh my god, I almost threw it at you guys. I am so sorry. The next thing that you want to do is you want to pick up your colors. I go for these two shades right here. And then just take your makeup wipe, put it on your finger. Okay. So the next thing is blush. Blush is pretty easy. This is the makeup brush I use. And you can get these really cheap at anywhere. It doesn't have to be a fancy one. Sorry, I have so much junk on my desk. So, I'm sorry. Okay. So we are going to be, I am so sorry for how this looks. I'm going to have to probably blank out some of this. We're going to be using this one, the lighter shade. And so you want to take your brush and then you just make little circles. And then I take, sorry for how this looks. I broke this mirror, so I had to tape it off, but this one.
Good morning, officers. Let's get started. Hey, where's Bullet? Sorry.
This thing that you want to do is eyebrows. So you can leave your eyebrows, your whatever your natural hair color is, go for it. Girl, you rule. Or boy, or they, them, whatever you want to call yourself. You rule if you do that. Me personally, I do not. So what I do, this is me. Also, you can put on mascara. It's totally fine if you want to do that, but I don't. I hate mascara. But I take this eyeliner and I use this brush. This is used, does not work, and then I clean it after every use because I do sometimes use it for actual eyeliner. It works better than the brush that I normally use, but I didn't want to have to clean it twice in one video for you guys. Okay, so you can use face paint, whatever you want. I use like these crayons you get with like fake vampire teeth. I think they are just face paint, face crayon. I think that's what it's called. That. I have it in my thing. You can also use lipstick. I've used lipstick in the past to make sure it doesn't stain. So I'm actually gonna do this. So I'm gonna turn back on my show. I'm watching Paradise PD. It's on Netflix. I'm watching it. Don't watch it if you're a child. It's not appropriate. This is how it looks. I kind of like it. I think I actually cut my lip on something, so I'm really sorry if you see that. Here is my Kirishima wig. At one point I used to put lines on my nose. They were black. They're not my style anymore. Okay, so then you want to just put all your makeup supplies away. Okay, girl, you did it. I'm proud of you. I will show you all the eye mascara that I normally would use if I was going to do it. This one. This is the one that I use. It's green. Ugh. If you open it up, I got this at Walmart. And it's like a volumizer one. I don't wear it because it attacks my eyes and makes my eyes feel weird. I don't personally like it. Next thing, you want to put your wig on. So there are straps inside your wig. Don't get scared. You'll be okay. There's these little straps, and then there's these ones. And sorry, let me fix that. The hairs do get flipped over, but it's fine. See them? And you use these two if your head is, or you don't have to use them. Just make sure you put them in the wig. But I am going to put them on the biggest one. I could put them tighter, but I don't like my legs tight, so I just put them there. So you want to put it on the back of your head and then pull it forward. Okay. Then you just want to situate it. Okay, and then for this, I'm gonna be teaching you how to do your bandana. So what you want to do is spread it out. Make sure that the pattern is flipped over. So then you want to make this cool little triangle. Hold on. Let's get a little triangle, and then you will roll it down. Okay. And then you want to tuck it in. And then this side will be the side that goes on your forehead. Oh, sorry, I'm trying to get closer to you guys. It's not working. So, and then you put the triangle part.
Oh my god, that is so hot.
Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this helped you.
Oh shit.
I'm gonna go make some TikToks, so I'm gonna get this video up, and I hope you guys subscribe. We're getting close to 100, and I'm really excited for it. Comment down below any questions. You can use bobby pins to keep your wig in place. That's why I told you you don't need them. You can use them to put in your headband to keep your wig on. I don't need that because I'm not going to work in the car, and this wig stays on pretty well. It's also kind of hot, and I want to turn my air conditioner up. It's really loud if I do it and I try to film, so I'm wearing a sweatshirt because I think it looks better in a sweatshirt. So I'm gonna go film some TikToks, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!